How to buy Bitcoin on blockchain.com. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Pin Visnath, and today I'll guide you on how you can buy Bitcoin on blockchain.com. Now you can do so on the web browser or you can do so on the application itself. Unfortunately, I'm unable to show you on the app itself because of the screen recording and security issues, so I'll just be guiding you through on the browser. I'll show you how you can buy Bitcoin on browser, but the process is similar on the blockchain app itself as well, the wallet application. So you want to head over, if you are doing it on the web as well, you want to head over to blockchain.wave and you want to log into your account. In my case, I'm just logging in real quick here. So as you can see, I have opened up and you'll get the option to send, receive, trade, and at the home page you can see you'll get buy, sell option, and you can see Bitcoin has opened up right here on the web as well. So if you're on the app, all you have to do is you'll have to head over to the buy section, or you can simply search in for Bitcoin crypto there. That will show up there. You can tap on it. Once you tap on it, you'll get the buy tab. You want to tap on buy. Now before being able to buy, you'll have to go ahead and add funds to your account. So in order to add funds, you can tap on the hamburger icon at the top right corner, and here under account you want to head into general, where you'll be able to add bank account, link your bank account, or link your cards. So once you do so, you can add fund easily and you can make purchase using your card or bank as well. So this is the way that you can buy Bitcoin on blockchain.com. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.